Model CHR 6080 high-speed, high-accuracy chucking machine. Digital threading makes threading on a chucker lathe easier than ever and provides touchscreen LCD to select thread pitch. No threading gearbox, less moving parts, quiet operation, maintenance-free design, servo-driven design. The chucker is part of our toolroom lathe lineup. It comes with an 8-station indexing tool turret for quickly changing tools on complicated job setups. It also has 8-position carriage stop that can be set up to simplify multiple repetitive tool feeds. The DRO system can save 8 tool positions.